So I totally love riding my bike down to Lady Bird Lake. There's a little stretch just west of the dam that I particularly like. There's a small lagoon, and then there's also the larger lake. And Lady Bird Lake is, of course, named after Lady Bird Johnson, the wife of President Lyndon Baines Johnson. I love that story about how LBJ retired out to the ranch and grew his white hair really long and rode around on horses. I don't know if it's true, but I sure do like the story. The water is green, and the trees are green, and my bicycle is green. You know, I really love it down here, but I think the dogs might even love it more than I do. There are so many happy dogs down here.